Hi, my name is Søren, and in this video we will take a look at the tree view. The tree view is central to Spine, providing a hierarchical view of the entire project. A tree node can be expanded or collapsed by left-clicking anywhere left of the node's icon. To expand or collapse a node and all its children, you can right-click the node anywhere. The expand and collapse buttons in the top right corner of the tree can also be used to expand or collapse the selected nodes and all of the children. Double-clicking collapse will collapse all nodes except for skeleton nodes, which can be convenient when many nodes are expanded. Items that can be renamed can be double-clicked as a shortcut to open the rename dialog. Nodes that have a new button, such as skins and animations, can be double-clicked to create a new item. Right-clicking on a bone's visibility dot also toggles the visibility of its descendant hierarchy. This includes the clicked bone and all of its child bones and slots. A tree node can be selected by left-clicking a node's icon, text, or the space to the right of its text. Hold Ctrl when left-clicking to select multiple nodes. You can also select a node, then hold Shift, and select another node to also select the nodes between them. When one or more of the tree nodes are selected, their properties are shown at the bottom of the tree. However, some properties can only be edited when only a single node is selected. The three buttons at the top of the properties are enabled for most tree nodes. First we have Duplicate, which duplicates the selected items. Then Rename, which opens the rename dialog. Pressing F2 will also open the rename dialog, and as already mentioned, the rename dialog can also be opened by double-clicking a tree node. Last we have Delete, which deletes the selected items. When a mesh is selected in the tree, we also have the Create Linked Mesh button, which will create a linked mesh. If a skin bone is selected, we see two more buttons. On the right side, we now have a button to remove the selected skin bone from the tree, and on the left, a button to select the skin bone in the tree. Note that this button will only be visible if a single skin bone is selected. Many tree nodes, such as bones, slots, and attachments, can be dragged to a new parent node. This is the equivalent to clicking the Set Parent button and then clicking the new parent. If the mouse goes above or below the tree while dragging, the tree will automatically scroll. The mouse wheel can also be used to scroll while dragging. The filter buttons control which types of nodes appear in the tree. As a shortcut, we've placed bones, slots, and attachments on the left. But if you need finer control, you can click the filter button and choose the exact types of nodes you want visible. Right-clicking the filter button will reset your filters. Left-clicking it will restore the previous filter settings. The filter buttons can make certain tasks much easier. If an attachment is selected in the editor area and attachments are hidden in the tree, the attachment slot will be selected instead. As another example, draw order can also be adjusted more easily by hiding bones and attachments. This also makes it possible to select many slots in the tree by holding Shift to select a range. When auto-scroll is enabled, the tree will automatically expand and scroll to nodes when items are selected in the editor area. In some scenarios, you may prefer to disable auto-scroll so you don't lose your place in the tree. Tree annotation icons are shown on the right side of the tree. For example, to indicate related constraints. Clicking on an annotation icon will select that item in the tree. Folders can be created for skins, Animations, and Events. Folders reduce clutter in the tree and allow multiple skins, animations, or events to share the same name. The Find and Replace button opens the Find and Replace dialog. This is a powerful tool for modifying the name or path properties of items in the tree all at once. When text is typed into the Find and Replace text boxes, the panel on the right displays the matches and shows the replacements. The green arrow indicates that the replacement is valid. A red arrow indicates a problem with the replacement. For example, some names must be unique and blank names are not allowed. When match case is checked, the capitalization of the find text is important when searching. When first occurrence is checked, only the first match in the string is considered. For example, if I have a bone called bone-bone and I enter bone in find, only the first occurrence is replaced when I enter something under replace. Without checking first occurrence, both occurrences in the string are matched. Scope specifies what part of the project is searched. Entire project will consider all items in the project, while tree selection will only consider items that are selected in the tree. Keep in mind that tree filters can make selecting many tree items easier. And current skin will only show items included in your currently active skin. Field specifies whether the name or the path fields are being searched. And types specifies which types of objects to consider. When regular expression is checked, the find text is used as a regular expression. This provides a somewhat cryptic but extremely powerful way to find and replace. A complete guide to regular expressions is beyond the scope of this video, but as an example, here we have 3 bones named bone 1, bone 2, and bone 3. I want to insert an underscore in front of the numbers. Under find, I write parentheses, square bracket, 0-9, plus, and close my square bracket in parentheses. This will match any numbers found in the names of our objects. And then under replace, I enter underscore $1. In the right-hand dialog, we can now see the results, and then click replace to see the changes in the tree. The type to search text box allows searching for items in the hierarchy. Pressing enter will focus on the text box. Type inside the text box to search for a term, then press enter or F3 or click the next arrow to select the next search result. Use Shift plus enter or Shift plus F3 or the previous arrow to select the previous result. Pressing escape will clear the text box. Type / at the beginning and at the end of the search text to enable regular expressions. For example, we can type in the same regular expression as before to only find objects that have numbers in the name. Checking text search filters in the tree filter pop-up will only show elements that match the search text in the tree. When the mouse is left over a slot or image in the tree for a moment, the image is displayed in a pop-up next to the tree. F1 can be used to show the pop-up instantly. This can also be disabled using the tooltip setting. In that case, the pop-up can still be seen by pressing F1. Last, we have the tree view settings. First is show all skin attachments. This will show all skins that have attachments under each skin placeholder, even skins that aren't active. Hide skeleton names and hide skin names will hide the skeleton and skin names from attachments where the name is prefixed with either the skeleton or skin name to reduce clutter. Hide skin bones and constraints will only show skin bones and constraints that are active. Hide viewport skin bones will only show skin bones that are active in the viewport. I hope this video has been helpful, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye for now.